Hey, what's happening, guys? Milton Washington Tech 1999 here. As you guys just saw there, you guys probably can't tell right now, but I'm making it easier for you guys to tell right now. This is a factory refurbished from Amazon renewed iPhone XR Red Edition. Comes with a charging brick. I believe this is a 3-foot charging cable. Both are from the original manufacturer, Apple. SIM card removal tool, and of course the phone itself. As far as I know, this has a 6.1 inch display, which is just 0.1 inches smaller than the Galaxy S8 Plus I'm recording with right now. Single camera instead of the dual camera. And I just realized what sucks is that this has a screen protector on it, and yet I ordered 3 extra screen protectors not knowing that it came with one. So that's lovely. At the very least, we've got a nice case coming on the way too, so we're good. That red glossy look is looking nice. So I'm going to go ahead and boot it up and see what we're looking at. Oh yeah. Okay guys, let's do this. There we go. For some reason I couldn't read anything. Let's go to English. United States. Unfortunately, I don't have another device that runs iOS 11 at the moment, so we're going to do it manually. I'm going to go ahead and set it up on my Wi-Fi, so I'll skip ahead real quick. Beautiful. Wi-Fi is all set up. See what happens next. Just probably read that real quick. If you want to read it, go ahead and pause now. Moving on. Face ID, facial recognition, should be hopefully around the same as the Galaxy S8 Plus. I don't use it though, I use the fingerprint scanner. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'm going to do this real quick and let's see what happens. We completed it. And here we go again. Now I gotta do this again. Just position it around, up and down. Surprised this is working with the phone in my hand. I should have done that the first time while recording. Okay, passcode. So I just use a real simple 4-digit passcode for now. I'll change it later, more than likely. Unfortunately, as far as I know, I do have an iCloud account from my old iPad 3, first gen iPad 3, but I think I'm gonna set it up. It also has move data from Android too. Let's try that. Oh shoot. So looks like we're gonna do this. And here we go. Let's see how this works out. So the bad news is the two phones won't communicate, which isn't a big deal, because then I'll have more fun actually installing the apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign in with my Apple ID and do all this manually. I'll move all the photos over, as many as I need, like any personal documents or anything, and of course any apps. That might make it more fun actually. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my Apple ID, and then we'll skip ahead to the next step. The Apple ID is in, and they finally decided to go with Google and use two-factor authentication. Okay, I'm going to have them text my number and see where we go from there. Finally, without any errors, because we had another server error. I'm going to go ahead and, sorry about that, go through all the settings real quick. Warning you guys now, if you haven't seen, this isn't going to be the best quality video. I'm doing this in a hurry because I want to use this phone and I have to work shortly. So this isn't going to be the most professional video. So Apple Pay, which means I realize I have to switch everything over from Samsung Pay. Maybe it'll make it easier on me. And of course I have to add my card, so another step. Okay, iCloud keychain. I can use that. Just go ahead and do the lazy way out and enter in my phone number again. Siri. Of course I want to use Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, it's me. Screen time. They do it in weekly reports now. Love that. One thing Android needs to do. Analytics. Yeah, we'll share it for right now. App analytics. I'll share it because I'm a nice guy. Okay, I will admit that's a pretty nice feature. An automatic adaptation. Do this. I admit the standard display is just a little bit better than the zoom. Swipe up from the home. Oh, from the bottom edge. Okay. Entering recent apps. Quick access controls, so kind of like the Samsung little side tab. And let's do this. We are in. Oh, baby. I'll go ahead and share my location for now. Okay, so a couple of my first thoughts on the iPhone XR. The bezel. Bezel's huge. The Galaxy S8 Plus has a very minimal bezel. And the rounded edges. Of course, the only rounded edge is the red itself. The screen is completely flat. I also noticed that the Amazon Renewed manufacturer has the screen protector a little bit offset to the right. It's not going to bother me too much though, so I'm cool with that. I can always reapply a new one too. Restoration wise, you can't tell that it was restored. It's basically a brand new phone, no glitches so far or anything. Some pretty good stuff, not gonna lie. Now I gotta start reinstalling all my apps again, get all my subscriptions to go through, and it's even got Apple Watch built in. Might be getting that too. We'll see. Series 4 might be on the way. Settings. Yeah, there's my name. Connected to Wi-Fi. A lot more settings than iOS. iOS 11? No. My iPad 3 stopped with iOS 10, I believe. Either iOS 10 or iOS 9. But now I gotta set up all this garbage. And I don't think I'm gonna do this in this video because I'm still rambling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see if the software needs updated. And it does, 12.4. So I'm going to download and install iOS 4. And get back to you guys in possibly another video. Maybe a week with the iPhone XR. Either a week or a month with it. So, see you guys in a bit. Thanks for watching. And this is Milton Washington Tech 1999. Signing off with the new iPhone XR. Hey guys, what's happening? So here's a little update video. It's been, as of today, it's been 5 days with the iPhone XR. See how I just tapped it and it turned on? Look at that background. That's nice. It's 2:58 a.m. Monday, August 19th. It will officially be 5 days with the iPhone XR. this afternoon. So let me just give you guys a little update on this. Screen turns on based on motion. So I know I can't see it, but the Galaxy S8 Plus camera can see it. But there's a little infrared scanner up there. That's for the Face ID. Basically how it works is you just have it scan your face. In that case, it scanned it. And then you slide up. What's on my screen so far, as you guys can see, I've done a lot of screen time so far today. I have all the Apple apps sorted in their own folder for now. Utilities come stock. Here's all my social accounts. My smart home apps. I have T-Mobile downloaded on here. Firefox is my main browser now. I've got 2 mail accounts. Probably could just merge both of them into the mail, but the Outlook app is pretty cool by itself. I just use my Gmail on my mail. Music. Big plus compared to Samsung. Although I can't pirate anymore. Don't tell anybody I said that. I mean, Apple Music isn't too bad. Got pretty much all the same apps from the Galaxy S8 Plus. I just downloaded them all manually because move to iOS was having its own issues. Otherwise, I'm very pleased with the iPhone XR after 5 days. Hasn't slowed down one bit. Battery life is outstanding. Lasts easily 20 hours on a full battery. Also, it works on my Samsung fast charger too. Big plus for me, so I don't have to take that off the setup. So I will say this right now, the LCD screen, which isn't exactly full HD, was noticeable. So also the color tone is a little bit, let's just say, duller than the S8 Plus. Screen size is 0.1 inches smaller across, 6.1 inches compared to the 6.2 inches on the S8 Plus. Just a couple of tidbits though. Other than that, speed is way better, easily. Performance, outstanding, love it. I don't think it can take 1080p 60 frames per second video, but that's not a deal killer. Photos are pretty nice. Snapchat's way better on this, I will admit. Snapchat is a big plus on the iPhone. And other than that, we got ourselves a good phone. Also, got a nice case for it. I'll have that case either in the description or in the cards, or both. Transparent back. It's got bumpers on it, just in case you drop it. Won't do any damage to the phone whatsoever. And it has a screen protector stock with the refurbished too. Although I got 3 extras just in case anything happens. So there's my full breakdown of the iPhone XR after 5 days. One of my better investments recently. So thank you guys for watching. And this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off. See you guys with future videos on the iPhone XR.